so that's another thing that people do wrong sometimes, is like they can't see, but yet they go anyway and then kind of look on the fly. So that's the wrong approach. You want to be able to see before you make it, put the gas on, right? So even if you're sticking out a little bit, as long as you stick out carefully, people aren't going to come down the road and say, oh, look, there's a guy, I can ram him, right?
Yeah.
So you see them, they see you, all as well, right? So just be careful that you don't pop out when you...
Yeah, I always try and creep and make sure it's good.
Yeah, exactly.
So when it's houses, and there's no actual limit, I'm going 50?
Yes, so how it works is...
And now this would be 20 over there?
Well, if you go into the neighborhood there, that would be 20, yeah. So how it works is BC has a general speed limit of a blanket policy, we'll call it, of 50, unless otherwise posted.
Yeah.
So 30 is posted